Hey guys, welcome back to my Scratch tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a scrolling theme in your Scratch project. Now let's get into it. Okay guys, so first thing you want to do is obviously load up a new project, fresh new project like I did. Then first thing you want to do when you're in the Scratch project is you want to go into the backdrops. Choose a backdrop. I'm going to be choosing Night City with Street because I think it comes out clean and nice. You want to basically click the backdrop and you want to go on the backdrop section. Then you want to drag in the backdrop into the sprite. So basically what happens is the sprite basically becomes a backdrop because sprites can move and have motion, but backdrops don't have any motion because they don't have any motion. So you want to click on the sprite backdrop, then you want to remove these first thing, then you want to convert this to vector so you're able to move it around, and I'm going to make it wider so I don't have any issues later on, so I don't have like a white line. Then once you've done that, you have it right here. Oh, before you actually start coding, you want to click on the backdrop and you want to remove the you want to click this. Don't remove it because then you're gonna mess it up. You want to click the blank backdrop, and I'll get into that in a minute. So first things first, you want to go onto your sprite backdrop. You want to go and create two variables. Why two? Because one for x position 1 and one for y position 1. Okay guys, so once you've done that, you want to get in the when clicked button, drag it onto here, and get to set my sorry, you want to get two set my variable blocks, one for x position 1 and one for y position 1. Put it under here, go to motion, get the go to x and y block. Once you've done that, you want to go into variables, get in the x position 1 and y position 1. Then you want to go into control, get in a forever loop, and this is where the actual scrolling background stuff starts to happen. But then once you've done that, you want to go into variables, get in the alright guys, so you want to get in the change my variable, and you want to change it to x position 1. Put it here and make it by -10. Once you've done that, you basically want to get in the, you want to hover over this block, duplicate it, get rid of those, put it under the change block. Then you want to go into control, get in the if then statement block, go to operators, get the lower than 50 block, go to variables, get in the x position 1 block, and set this to -480. The reason why we're setting it to -480 is because that's the maximum size of the Scratch image pixels. Like, you see how it just ends there? If you add more, then it's just gonna bug out. So that's why you have to do that. Once you've done that, you want to go to variables and get the set my variable, change it to x position 1, and then you want to basically make it 480. The reason why you want to make it a 480 is because then it starts to create a loop. So as you can see, it goes back and makes it as a loop. That's why you want to set it at 480. So you're basically done this code. We're not completely done yet. Now you want to basically duplicate this sprite background, make it another one. Then you want to go into variables, create a new variable, two new variables actually. One called x position 2 and the other one y position 2. Alright guys, so once you've done that, so you're almost done, you want to go into sprite number 2. Then you want to start changing it to the second variables that you created. So I'm gonna go change that right now, and I'll speed up the video, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. once you followed like what I've just coded here, what I've just changed here for the second sprite background, now you're basically almost done. All you did was basically add in 2 more variables with different names, but they don't actually change anything. So once you've done that, all you gotta do for the moment of truth is you want to go onto the first set my variable block, and you want to change it to 480. So let's just do that right now. And now okay guys, so now it is working. I realized that it wasn't working because because I had sprite 2 as X position 2. That's why it was just not working. So you want to set to Y position 2. Y position 2. So that's all, guys. That's all you gotta do. Now the final step to complete this is you want to go into the looks tab and get in the go forward block and make it backwards and set it under the when clicked block. Basically the reason why you have to do that, also make sure you set it to -10. Reason why you have to do this is because when you're gonna be actually coding in this game, adding like stuff, like adding in sprites, you want to set the background all the way behind the like all the way behind, so that when you're adding in sprites, they basically overlay over the background. So that's all you gotta do. Hope this helped you. Thank you for watching, and peace. For more beginner level Scratch tutorials, visit our Scratch Basics homepage at chromeworks.ca/basics.